Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After recording the time that your employees or subcontractors spend performing services for a customer's job, you can bill the customer for the work performed in an invoice. To do this, create an invoice by selecting Customers, Create Invoices from the menu bar. Then use the Customer Job drop-down to select the customer job to which you have assigned billable time. When you do this, QuickBooks will then display the Billable Time and Costs window. To bill the time, click the Select the Outstanding Billable Time and Costs to add to this invoice option button, and then click the OK button to continue and open the Choose Billable Time and Costs window. Even if you choose not to bill the time and costs at this moment, you can later click the Add Time/Costs button that appears within the main tab of the ribbon at the top of the invoice to open the same Choose Billable Time and Costs window. In the Choose Billable Time and Costs window, click the Time tab to display the billable hours recorded for the selected customer job. Select the hours to bill to the customer by clicking the leftmost column next to each line item to mark it with a check mark. To choose how QuickBooks will import the timesheet data into the invoice, click the Options button in the upper right corner of the tab to open the Options for Transferring Billable Time dialog box. Select the desired option button to indicate how you want the time data to be imported. Then click the OK button to set your preference and return to the Time tab. You can check the Print Selected Time and Costs as one invoice item checkbox to add all of the selected billable time and costs to the invoice as a single item if needed. After you have checked the billable hours, click the OK button to add them to the invoice. Then complete the invoice as you normally would, and save the invoice by clicking either the Save and Close or Save and New button within the Create Invoices window when you are finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.